Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Poppy's other workshop. This is Better Mousetrap 3. In the first two Better Mousetraps, you saw Mom and Dad say hello to one of the children. Yeah, I'll take you out and end your suffering in a little bit right after I record. Okay. Discovered, you see that brown powder in the middle of the pad. Discovered that these mice seem to like Swiss Miss instant cocoa with many a marshmallow. My wife had to throw out a whole bunch of packets that had been mouse chewed on. I went to make myself a mocha java. I pull out a pouch of Swiss Miss, and I discovered a fresh mouse chew hole in one corner. So the two pads in the computer room, I put a little pile in, and I went to the 6-gallon milk crate. We have the kitchen garbage and recycling cans sitting on. And what do I see? Baby Mickey. This is 3 of them so far. Mom, Dad, and Baby. I'm going to leave the 2 pads in the computer room with the Swiss Miss on them and see if that draws them in. So I'm going to shut down now, or should I say stop recording now, and take this little thing outside and end all his problems.